Video 1, Post-Installation Walkthrough General Info. Hello everyone, my name is Frans Sanchez. I'm the Field Applications Engineer here at Good Faith Energy. These videos will cover the general basics of a solar and battery system and will provide you a better understanding of your installed system and how it works. Before I get started, check out and subscribe to our channel for other videos which provide more in-depth info about the different solar, battery, and energy management products we offer. Now let's get started. First, let's begin by taking a quick look at the solar electrical equipment around your home. The majority of equipment is typically installed outside, usually close to the electric utility meter. Here, you'll find the main switches that connect or disconnect your home from the grid and solar battery system. A key thing to remember, be aware of red handle switches. These are emergency shutoff switches for your solar battery system. Those switches can shut down the solar panels and batteries if, God forbid, there's ever an emergency at your property, such as a fire. The main solar disconnect is located near the combiner panels, inverters, gateways, or system controllers. We'll go over all this equipment here shortly. If you only shut down the solar or battery switches, the grid will still be active. For homes with the Tesla Gateway or Enphase IQ system controller, you'll find a 200 amp main service breaker inside of them. This breaker is directly tied to the utility meter, allowing you to disconnect the entire system from the grid when turned off. Generally, you won't need to touch this. To test going off grid, you can use the system's Go Off Grid feature within your system's application, which we'll cover in another video. If you have a partial backup system installed, keep in mind that electric panels which aren't directly tied to the gateway or system controller will not be powered off grid. It's intentionally configured this way in order to ensure your home's electric load doesn't overload the battery, forcing it to trip and turn off for safety. Under normal grid conditions, these non-backed up panels will still receive and use solar energy when it's being actively produced. However, when there's a grid outage, any breakers installed in a non-backed up panel will not receive any power until the grid comes back. You can contact the GFE representative if you need further clarification about your system's safety features. That does it for our first video. Catch you in video number 2.